Alright, so I'm going to attempt to remove this glass. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't break it. We'll see. So I'm going to try to use shims. You know, slowly just start peeling it out of the wall. As you can tell, it's already like coming off. You know, it's coming off. Shims, says shims. Go to Home Depot, Lowe's. You get it. So I got my glasses on, just in case something breaks. It goes in my eye. I'm using a rubber mallet. You don't want to use your regular hammer because you might break the glass. Use this. Oh boy. It's gonna be get there. I feel it. So I'm gonna do this side too. So I put this cardboard here just in case it comes out of the wall, you can just fall here. But I'm also putting my eye on it. It is super close. It's getting super close. We're getting there. one side. I think this side is out. It's out. So I think I just need. Let's use a shim phone. This side is out. I think it's just. Alright, so I got the thing out. The glass. There's a lot of glue in the back. You can see. Yeah. I'm gonna put it down here so we can work on it. Yep, we only messed up with the little section here. The rest of the stuff is still on. But the glass did not break. I was so nervous. There it is. So we got this. We have to remove this. We have to move that because if you don't move it and try to put a glass on it, it's not going to be ready. If you leave that on and put a glass on some section, it's going to be. I survived. Didn't break the glass. Shims. And it's so important to put a piece of board here instead of just let it fall in. So put this like half an inch from the glass. So when it drops, it just drops here. Not too far, so it won't break. There we go. If you don't want to do this, you can just go buy new glass. But I'm not. This still looks good. You can still use it. So. Use a tougher, like a stronger, heavy duty some piece. Because this thing is like super dry. Whew. Almost there, almost there. One more. There it is. I just put it in the same locations like they had before. Then I put some on the back of the glass. Hopefully this is the one that dries fast. Just be careful you don't drop it on your countertop. You brand new countertop. I should probably put a piece of board over there in this case. So there it is. The glass is back. I have this shim right here. And I have another shim. I should probably put one on this side too. But right now it looks like the thing is level. Everything seems good. Maybe this one right there. everything looks level. Let me check this again just perfect. So it's level. You can see it right here in the middle, it's a level. I like it. So everything looks good. I put these tapes just, I don't think they're doing anything, but they will never be able to hold this glass anyway. But I got this screwed up on the floor, then I got this brace, piece of wood on the wall over the other side to at least hold it until the glue dries. So stump it. Just make sure that everything sticks. So we got like maybe 1/4 of an inch space with the shims on here. That way we're good. Just wait to make sure the backsplash stays. So let me just put this right there. So I put this here like to hold this piece, to hold the backsplash on the wall. Because the wall is never straight, guys. The walls are never straight. Looks good. Looks very good. That's it, guys, for today.